Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Eufy Robovac G20. So if you're interested to see this bad boy, then just continue to watch. So dangerous, I get this. So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and I do new videos on this channel every week. I love to review products, and if this is the kind of thing you're interested in, there is a little subscribe button down there in red somewhere. I would love for you to click that and stick around. It's completely free and entirely up to you. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. So Eufy has kindly sent me out their new Robovac G20. So Eufy is a brand by Anchor. I have worked with them previously before. I do have another one of their vacuum cleaners, which I still use, which is amazing. And they have sent me out this. I am super excited to unbox and review this because I have wanted a Robovac for so long. Like, it just feels so futuristic to me to be getting something like this, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I will leave it linked below, but let's get it out and let's show you exactly what it looks like. So I'm going to open it up for the first time, then I'm going to use it, but I'm going to tell you all about the features of it. So let's get it out. It always excites me so much doing these videos, can you tell? So I'm going to put it out the box so you can see exactly how it comes. Okay, so Eufy always comes with like these little envelopes, which is user manual, your quick start guide, and everything that you need, including like customer service numbers and things like that. You always get a little booklet of those. And then this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to grab it out. The first thing I'm noticing is how slim it is, which is amazing for low lying furniture, because I've got a Chesterfield, as you know, and I've got 2 armchairs as well. So that is a really good first impression. So I'm just going to grab that out. How stunning is that though? Wow. I never thought in a million years I would own a Robovac. Who even am I? Then this is the docking station, so it docks itself. As far as I'm aware, I'll read all the information. And then you've got all your little bits in there. So I've got a UK plug in there. And then I've got some other little bits. I've got organised wires and power cords on the floor to clear the way for the Robovac. So they supply you with some cable ties in there, which is good. You've got the air dry, the filter after washing, you've got a filter in there, and then you've got some little bristles. Always love these videos because you are learning with me. I have never used one before, so let's get started. Okay, so using your Robovac. Right, remove the sticker next to the power switch and the foam blocks inside the bumper before use. Foam blocks out and remove the sticker. Take that off as well. Okay, so the filter is inside there. That's a spare filter that comes in this bag then, so that's brilliant. So you just click that in there and I'll pop that back in. And then, so I've done that, that's how to change the filter. And then, oh, that's where all the dirt collects in there then. And then you just put these little bristles in. So put one in there, and oh, okay, so you just put one in, so this is a spare one.
First thing I'm going to do is just find a plug socket to plug in the docking station for the Robovac and let it charge up while I download the app. And there's instructions in the manual of where you can actually place your docking station so that there's enough room for the Robovac to go back to charge. So I headed over to the App Store and typed in Eufy Home. That is the name of the app that you download onto your phone. Came up straight away at the top of the list and was fairly straightforward to download. Then I created an account and it gave me a really nice, simple, easy walkthrough of how to use the app itself. I then needed to find the Robovac and the model and then connect it to the internet again, which was really easy. I just followed the on-screen instructions, waited for a flashing light, and there you go, we are all linked up, ready to go. The app then gave me some more on-screen instructions and I pressed the button on my Robovac G20 and off it went on its journey to start cleaning, and it was amazing to watch. I was really intrigued to see how it would get on around the obstacles. I even left a few things out just on purpose, such as my tripod, to see how it navigated around them, but with its smart navigation technology it did brilliantly.
Housework is definitely something that is time consuming, and being a busy mom of two, running YouTube, running my own business, cleaning is something that is like a chore to me. I'm not saying that I don't enjoy it, but the amount of times I vacuum a day is unreal. So this new generation of smart vacuums is a way to help me clean my house more efficiently and elegantly. Being able to let a Robovac take on some of the weight by doing all the vacuum cleaning in the house definitely is going to give me more time to be able to focus on things that I need to, and I'm going to make so much more time to be able to work and be able to sit down at my desk and not worry about all the crumbs that are all over the floor. Having 2 children and 3 cats, pet hair is one of the biggest pet peeves, am I allowed to make that pun, is the biggest problem in this house. No matter how many times I vacuum in a day, there always seems to be cat hair tumbleweeded up underneath the radiator covers, cat litter scattered and cat biscuits scattered all down the utility room. And then on top of that, I've just got Lucas spilling crumbs of breakfast and everything he eats all over the kitchen floor. It is a nightmare trying to keep on top of the floors in this house. So hopefully this Robovac is going to be able to clean my house more efficiently throughout the day, and also mean that I haven't got to vacuum 3 to 4 times a day. And it's got a really powerful suction, which is great for, like I say, cat litter, cat biscuits, breakfast crumbs, all the things that I really struggle to vacuum up. Another great feature of the Robovac G20 is that it's supposed to be quite quiet. It actually says that it's quieter than a microwave, which I'll be very, very interested to test, because another thing that I find is at the end of the day, when the kids are in bed and all I want to do is whiz the vacuum around to give it a nice clean, I find that sometimes that can be too loud and I don't want to wake the children either. So that is an amazing feature. Another thing that I struggle with in the house is that I have hard floors and carpet. So I have a rug in the living room and then laminate throughout the rest of the house. And then I also have vinyl in the hallway. What's really amazing about this Robovac is it's got technology in it so that it changes its suction between different floors. So it boosts the suction power when it goes onto carpets, which makes it more effective of cleaning, and then also changes again when it goes back onto hard floors, which is good for us because our flooring alternates and changes throughout downstairs. And it's great because that means I can also use it upstairs if I wanted to. Another great feature of it is its smart navigation. So it actually goes in like a Z-shaped pattern to make sure it has the most efficient and greatest coverage when it's cleaning. And it's also great to avoid obstacles like children and animals and all my furniture that is in the way. But like I say, because it's got this slim design as well, it should be able to go under low-lying furniture like the Chesterfield that we've got and under the dining table. So I'm really, really excited to see what it picks up off my floors. I've deliberately not vacuumed today, and see how the Robovac G20 holds up in our house full of animals. So I'm just going to show you how much this collects and show you how you undo it. So push this down here and then this will bring your bin out, and then if you open it up, oh my gosh, look at that. It holds quite a lot actually. Isn't that incredible? But I'm going to go and empty that. I believe I'm actually putting this on the internet, but I've just emptied the living room and now the kitchen. Pom-pom there. But wow, just wow. That is crazy to say I hoover most days. Just wow.
So after I'd seen the horrors of what the Robovac had picked up around the home, I definitely left it running until the charge ran out. I left it clean all downstairs, and then I went onto the app and called my little Robovac to go home just by the click of a button. It was so hilarious to watch the cats watch the Robovac go back. They weren't a fan, but I'm sure they will get used to it. And after the scare that I had, I decided to put a schedule on the Robovac. So an amazing feature is on the app, you can actually click the button schedule, and you can pick what days you want your Robovac to clean automatically and even a time. So I set it from Monday through to Friday at 8 AM. So when I come downstairs, it is nice and clean, ready to start the day.
So that is it, guys. That is the Eufy Robovac G20. I really hope you enjoyed this review. I absolutely have loved doing this, and I'm super excited to be able to have this in our home. For any more details, and if you wanted to get yourself one, I will leave the link below with a discount code. So if you're interested in getting the Robovac G20, I will leave the link below. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.
You set my world on fire. You're